This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequencies of AM radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. First, here are the new headlines.
Cambodian Prime Minister ordered further strengthening of quarantine measures. Ministry of Health instruct capital provincial governors to strictly implement legal measures for those who evade quarantine. And Cambodia confirmed first 3 cases of new COVID-19 variant.
សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោ ហ៊ុនសែន Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia has ordered further strengthening of quarantine measures by implementing well the sub-decree on health measures to prevent and respond to international outbreaks of diseases at the country's gates. In a voice message shared yesterday morning, the Premier instructed all relevant authorities to carry out well the sub-decree dated September 17, 2015 to ensure proper and effective quarantine. As there were reports on cases of quarantine avoidance, សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោ ហ៊ុនសែន advised the Ministry of Health and local competent authorities to well implement the sub-decree's Article 8 on punishment. He also asked the Ministry of Justice and Ministry of Health to work together to amend the Article 8 in order to increase the amount of fines before reviewing other measures in the sub-decree. According to the Article 8, all passengers and drivers of any transport vehicle who evade or do not cooperate with the quarantine officers in implementing the health measures or fail to comply with the procedures set out in this sub-decree shall be subject to a fine of 200,000 riel to 1 million riel depending on the size of the crime and be required to carry out the health measures. At the same time, the Prime Minister issued an order for all law enforcement officials to strictly take action against the ringleaders who brought people across the border to avoid quarantine practice. Besides, សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោ ហ៊ុនសែន advised the Cambodian provinces bordering Thailand, Vietnam and Laos to cooperate with their Thai, Vietnamese and Lao counterparts to prevent border crossings at corridors without quarantine. Reported by AKP.
The Ministry of Health on February 15, 2021 instructed the capital provincial governors to strictly implement legal measures for those who do not comply with the sub-decree on health measures to prevent and respond to international outbreak of disease at the border inland. In the letter, the Ministry of Health recalls a number of sanctions that would be imposed on those who evade quarantine under Article 8 of Chapter 5. According to the Ministry of Health, in accordance with the sub-decree on health measures to prevent and respond to the international outbreak of disease at the border gateway, which was promulgated on September 17, 2015, Chapter 5 on Article 8 of the Penal Code said that the passenger or operator of the vehicle who evades the inspection officers or does not cooperate with the officer in implementing the health measures or does not comply with the procedures set out in this sub-decree shall be fined 200,000 riel to 1 million riels. In this article, it is said that receiving this transaction penalty does not exempt the person who commits the crime from the criminal liability stipulated in the criminal law and regulations. Anyone who falsifies health-related documents for the purpose of evading the implementation of compulsory measures shall be punished in accordance with the criminal law in force. In this letter, the Ministry of Health also reminded that in case the passenger or operator of the transport vehicle refuse to comply with the provisions of the above paragraph, the quarantine officer must cooperate with the relevant authority to deny entry and exit to Cambodia. On Monday morning, Samdech Techo Hun Sen also issues an order via his wide message to strictly enforce the implementation of legal measures under the sub-degree. Samdech Techo Hun Sen also recommended that the fine will be revised because it is currently low.
Cambodia detected 3 cases of new COVID-19 variant, according to the Ministry of Health press release on February 15, 2021. The new COVID-19 variant cases were found on 3 international travelers. The South African variant was found in a 28-year-old Indian man and a 23-year-old Indian woman returning from India via Singapore's flight to Cambodia on February 3, 2021. Another infected patient is a 26-year-old Chinese woman returning from China via South Korea's flight to Cambodia on February 7, 2021. This variant spreads more easily and quickly than other variants, and there is no clear evidence that the variant is associated with more severe disease or worse outcomes, according to the South African scientists. The Ministry of Health called on citizens to instruct the preventive measures of the Ministry of Health, including washing hands, wearing face masks, and implementing social distancing. As of Monday evening, Cambodia has confirmed 482 cases of COVID-19 with 469 recoveries and no death confirmed.
This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequency of AM Radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Our English transmission now comes to a close, and please stay tuned our French transmission in the next program. And thank you for your listening, and goodbye.